Also covered multiplication using standard algorithm to solve double digit by a double digit number or a double digit by a three-digit number. So the first one we are going to practice with is 64 times 14, and students can practice more by creating their own numbers. So first things first, with standard algorithm is to line them up vertically. Once again, I'm going to make them really big just to show you the arrows practice method that we've been using. All right. And as always, the numbers on the bottom are going to visit all of the numbers on the top. So some students are still using those train tracks. I'm going to add those in. So we're going to start with that 4 in that ones place. 4 times 4 is 16. Going to carry the 1. And 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 1, 25. Okay, no other digits, so you are done with the 4. I'm going to use a different color. Now we're moving on to the 1. So because the 1 is starting in that tens place value, the answers are going to start also in the tens place value. So that is where that 0 comes in. So 0, really big 0 over in that ones place because we are no longer using numbers in the ones, we are starting in the tens. So 1 also has to visit all of the numbers up on the top. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. No other numbers, so we are done with that 1. Arrows start to get a little bit confusing, so if students would just like to use their fingers or mentally they can, they do not need to use these arrows at all. It's just a way for me to show them what these numbers have to be multiplied by. So we are done with all of our numbers. Now all we have to do is add. 6 plus 0 is 6, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and 6 plus 2 is 8. 896. Okay, on the next page, I will be showing you the triple digits by double digits. So 2, let's do 128 times 35. That bigger number definitely goes up on top. 128 times 35. The numbers are lined up once again by that ones place value. If students are still using the train tracks, they can go ahead and add those in. Beginning with that ones place of the double digit number, that 5 has to visit everybody up on that top row. So 5 times 8 is 40. 0, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. No other numbers, so you are done using the 5 to multiply. Beginning with the 3, once again, that 3 is starting in that tens place, so a 0 is automatically added in to the ones place, since we are beginning here in that tens row column. So 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 2, 6, plus 2 is 8. And 3 times 1 is 3. We need a new train track because our numbers have gotten bigger. No other numbers, so we are ready to add. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. Extend that train track if you need it. And 8 plus 6, 14. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Don't forget that comma. 1, 2, 3, comma.